How to fix photo disappearing issues in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, unhide album or pictures. Open gallery, click on three dots more option, click on hide album. Now here you will see hide album. And if you want to unhide album or picture, then turn off these buttons. After turning off these buttons, unhide albums or picture from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search gallery. Now click on gallery, scroll down, click on storage. Now here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, gallery cache will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, recover or restore missing pictures or videos. Again open gallery, click on menu icon, click on trash or recycle bin. Now here you will see missing or lost picture or videos. Now select that you want to recover or restore. After selecting, click on restore. After click on restore or recover missing picture from your phone. This is how you can fix photo disappearing issues in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.